Or are we at standing room only? I'm just going to put on some lipstick and turn this over to our President, Marilyn.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us this evening, and thank you, all of you, for attending our Vote Quest Grimsby 2014. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank Naomi Behrens, who essentially did all of this. Naomi Behrens is our past president and our policy and governance chair. So thank you, Naomi. Naomi also has the honor of being our moderator this evening. I'd also like to thank some of our board members that were able to come out and attend our Grimsby Chamber event. So I would like to ask Naomi to come up, and we're going to start this show.
I was applauding Marilyn, not myself. Welcome everyone to Vote Fest 2014, the All Candidates meeting for Grimsby. We are just thrilled to see so many of you here, and there's many of you from groups. Looking forward to hearing from all of you. I wanted to get the proceedings underway as soon as we can, because we have a very tightly timed event here. We have 1 hour set aside for the regional councillors to take questions from the floor, and we have 1 hour set aside for 4 candidates running for mayor to take questions from the floor. I want to give you an idea of how the timing is going to work, so everybody knows. There's a bit of decorum to this kind of thing. So what will happen is that if you're asking a question from the floor, you'll see that we have 2 mics here. They're Wi-Fi mics. I hope they don't do any more of the screeching. And if they do, who's the tech person in the room? Put your hands up. It's always the guy way in the back. Way in the back. If we have any challenges, we do have some people who can help us out. So what will happen is that we're opening this up to the public. We thought we would do something different. For those of you who have been to other debates, or all candidates meetings, you'll notice that it will be pre-scripted questions, or questions that have been sent in and have been reviewed, and then they're presented to the candidates en masse. And we decided to take a slightly different approach, which is full democracy. We open it up to the public, allow you to ask the questions that you want to ask. I can hear my mother, that's my daughter. Full democracy. But keeping in mind, this is the Grimsby Chamber of Commerce that is hosting this event. You know, I have a lot of people in support behind me doing this. And we're a non-partisan organization, so we're not affiliated with any political party. But we feel that it's very important to provide this opportunity for the public, the community, it's part of our mandate, to ensure that everybody has a chance to meet up close and personal with candidates, people who are running for political positions that have the power to affect changes, you know, in your life, in your taxes, in your bills, your roadways, your parks, your streams, and your railways. So, again, how we will do this is I will invite the regional councillor, the candidates who are running for regional councillor, to approach the main table. They will have 2 minutes to do an introduction to themselves, to you. We did a lottery beforehand, so we've chosen the order that they will be speaking. Once they are finished their 2 minutes, the floor is yours. But what we ask is that those who wish to ask questions of the regional councillor, those running to be regional councillor, approach one of the 2 mics. This mic. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll find the mics here and here. So the 2 mics here. And you, as the public, you have 1 minute to ask your question. So I do ask, you know, for those of you who have done this before, then maybe you're familiar with the format. If you haven't, then you have 1 minute to ask your question. And it usually works like this. You can either get directly to the meat of your question, or you can make a short introductory statement on why you're asking the question, and then you must get to your question. We have timers in the front. highly trained timers. I brought, yeah, I've imported them from another city. So our president and board member are acting as timers today, trained in Toastmasters, so they know timing. And what will happen is you, as a speaker or a questioner, if you're at your 1 minute, you will see a red card go up. Do we have a demonstration of the red card? Oh, we've got another board member helping. And then we will turn it over to the candidates, and this is where I will start moderating. We'll follow the order in the questions. They will have an opportunity to ask the question, then we will move to the next person in the line, next person in the line, next person in the line, next person in the line. And we'll try to get through as many questions and answers as we can in the hour we've given for regional councillors, and then the hour we've given for mayors. Does this sound okay? Oh, I didn't talk about how long for the answer. I skipped right over that part. So they have 90 seconds to provide an answer. Any questions about how this is going to work? No, you're comfortable coming up to the mics, and the line for this mic might have to snake this way. Are you comfortable with that? This one goes down the main aisle. I would also ask that if you have your cell phones, if you could turn the ringer off, just put it on silent so they're not, unless you're delivering a baby, it would be better if we just kept it quieter. You're welcome to tweet, vote Fest Grimsby. Yes. I will allow the regional councillors to do that in their introductions. Could I invite both of the candidates who are running for regional council to join me here at the head table? Nick Andrewchuk, Tony Quirk.